Hey guys, and welcome you all back to my channel. So as you read by the title, I have a very exciting video. I finally purchased a mini pochette from Louis Vuitton. This is like unreal to me. When I first heard about Louis Vuitton and stuff, I thought it was like, oh, it's just like another Kate Spade, it's like another Michael Kors. And I started seeing these bags with, like, you know, the checkered print, and at first I thought they were very ugly, and then I started seeing them more and more, and I kind of like grew into them. It's like so weird. So one day I just like looked it up. I was like, Louis Vuitton bag. I was like, I'm just gonna get a bag, you know, they're really trendy, it's okay, it's like just like a one season type of thing. And so when I saw the price, my eyes literally just like, whoa, like I was like, there is no way I'm ever gonna own a Louis Vuitton bag. And like, look at me now, I have the mini pochette, which is a very hard item to find, and it's super sad. And trust me, I've been there, I've lived it. I've been looking for this mini pochette for like as long as I can remember, literally like almost 3 years, which is honestly like super insane. I remember when I first started hearing about Louis Vuitton, I thought this price for the mini pochette was like outrageously, like I was like, nope, not gonna happen, like no thank you, I'd just rather not. And you know, times change, my life has changed, work has changed, school has changed, and so I'm in a place where it's like, okay, mini pochette time, you know? So now that it was like the appropriate time to get it and everything like that, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hunt it down. And it literally took me so long to get a hold of it. Literally, I called almost every single day the 1-800 number, and they always said they didn't have it. I literally called Mexico's Louis Vuitton, like 3 different locations in Mexico. They said they didn't have them. I have family there, so you know, they can like ship it to me or like bring it here. I ended up calling that 1-800 number, and I always like talk to them like if they were like my friends or something. I would tell them my whole story, that I've been looking for this mini pochette forever, that I already called Mexico, I already like know that this item is not in stock, like do I have to go like to France and find it? Like I don't know. So this lady I spoke to, she said to literally look at the website at 12 at midnight, like going into Friday, and so that there were supposedly gonna be some in stock. And so I did that, and guess what, I fell asleep. I literally fell asleep like at 11:40 something, so I didn't get the chance to even see if the mini pochette was available. And so that following day I called and I was like, hey, like mini pochette is not there, like this and that. And the lady was like, let me look, when was the last time we sold some? And she's like, oh, it was actually like around midnight something, like, you know, this past midnight, and we sold 6 of them. I was like, 6 mini pochettes? Like, okay, I'm just not gonna have that. So I already like made up my mind. I said this is gonna be impossible. So I decided to go the pre-loved route with Fashion File. You know, this item, I did end up buying it for more than like regular store price, which honestly sucks, but you know what? I've been looking for this thing for so long that at this point, I don't even care. X amount extra, like whatever, you know, like I'm done stressing out. So I ended up getting it yesterday actually. I was in school and I was telling my friends like, hey, do you know what time UPS passes by and everything? Like, I was like just waiting and waiting, and so it didn't get home till like 8:30. I was studying with my boyfriend, and so I got home like around 8 something, and it ended up getting here like at 8:30, which I was so mad about because I literally was ready to film, and you know, yeah, things just happened. I was actually doing a homework thing right now, like a presentation for tomorrow, so I just like got in the mood to film today, so that's why I'm filming this video. So yeah, I did purchase it from Fashion File. If you look up mini pochette on Fashion File, a lot of the pochettes will come out, and I strictly wanted one that looked literally brand new. I don't care if it's like, you know, like well, I guess I do really care, actually, not gonna lie. I don't want it to look worn. I don't want it to look like somebody else owned it. I'm very meticulous about that. Not gonna lie, this looks literally like it's never been touched by anyone. The only little thing though I see is that there is a little bit of fuzzies right here, you know, like right there, but I mean, I don't really care about that. That's literally it. The hardware is literally gold, like, you know, with like the time the gold starts like turning silver. This is not the case. Like, amazing. The zipper is very buttery, and so yeah, I already took off the tags because they did come with like 2 tags that say once you take off these tags, this bag's like officially yours. And you guys know it's like the little baggie that you can like you know, wear like that. Obviously I'm not gonna wear it like like, you know, that's not me, honestly. I already bought 2 chain straps for this to wear as a crossbody. I know that sounds probably kind of crazy because this is literally like super small. Wow, it's almost the size of my head. So yeah, I can go ahead and insert like a clip of when I unboxed it from Fashion File. They did give me like a dust bag and everything. It was really cute, honestly. It was like such a cute packaging, way prettier than Louis Vuitton's like when you get it in the mail. So I'm already using it today. Obviously took my Neverfull out for a spin because that's like all I wear now. I knew I wanted to wear this baggy today, like, you know, take it out for a spin as well. So I'll show you what I have. First, I have just 2 panty liners. I have this, which I don't even need to take this with me, honestly. Like, oh god, I just have my USBs in here. It's just like an easy way for me to like know where they're at because they're both in here. And then I've also got dental floss and the lipstick that I'm wearing, which is Velvet Teddy by MAC. And also like my inspired AirPod looking things. And that is everything that I have in my mini pochette. I knew I've been wanting this item for so long, and the moment I got it, I was like, okay, what am I gonna use it for? Like, I just looked at it and I was like, what am I gonna use you for? And so I already went on like YouTube, obviously, and I rewatched all of the videos I ever watched about like what's in my mini pochette, ways to wear it, and everything like that. So I literally like froze out of that. I don't know why, and so I'm still kind of like adapting to it because it's another extra thing that I am going to be carrying with me like in my bag and everything. I'm gonna like obviously play around with it and everything, so I'll go ahead and show you the bag. I don't know if I want to call this like an unboxing because it's not, but I guess I can. I'll go ahead and insert the video of whenever I received the pack. Okay, so it has a lot of confetti, and then it gave us a Fashion File nail file. More confetti. This is so cute. It's literally like a cute little surprise. A thank you card, and then we have our receipt. We open it up, and then we get our dust bag from Fashion File if the item does not come with it. And then we get our cute little mini pochette. Oh my god. This is so cute. And see, I have my Neverfull right here. I just got back from studying, and so this is my mini pochette. I've been waiting on it forever. Oh my god. And as you can see, sorry, my baby sister's filming for me. It is in perfect condition. Obviously this is pre-loved, but I just couldn't get a hold of it anywhere. Literally no stains, no nothing. I'm gonna smell it. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, which is awesome. Yeah, you can smell it. The zipper is really buttery. Then we do have our certificate of authenticity. Whenever I received this bag, I saw it and I actually thought it was a little bit bigger than what I initially thought. I don't know, for some reason in my mind I just thought it was like a little bit smaller. This is actually really big compared to like what I actually thought, which is kind of funny, but not really. I mean, I'm kind of scared, honestly, to use this like a wristlet because I don't know, like I'm gonna show you. Obviously, like if I wear it like a wristlet, you see this extra piece of like zipper hanging, and I'm very scared that it's just gonna like break. I don't know, I guess it's just like a me thing right now, that since it's like new to me and everything. Yeah, let me know if you have a mini pochette and like have you ever had an issue. Like I don't know, I'm just really like scared right now, probably because it's like, you know, the first time that I'm gonna like carry it like that. But yeah, today I just had it inside my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the mini pochette. Have you been trying to get your hands on it? Because trust me, I just decided to go the pre-loved route. I was not willing to spend any more time just like hunting it down. It was just really not worth it, and I mean, I just did it. And thank you so much, Fashion File. You have amazing products. I love my new mini pochette. It's honestly just so beautiful. Like it's just so cute. Like you guys will definitely be seeing a lot more of this mini pochette. Like if you want to see like what's in my mini pochette, ways to wear it, how to style it, things like that, let me know because I will do it because I want to experiment with it. So yeah, with all that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye girls.